Welcome to Project Zone. This is the second part of the app designing tutorial on MIT App Inventor. As we are done with the design screen of the app, now at top right corner of the screen, click on blocks and a screen will appear to use blocks for our app logic. On the left corner of the block screen, we can see the labels and buttons we have added on the design screen. First of all, use Add button and select the first block. This block will be carried out whenever the button is pressed. By using math block of addition, we are going to add the two numbers entered by user. Now, pick the two labels where we have to enter the two numbers that are being added and arrange them as mentioned in the video. After completing the block screen, now we have generated a QR code to download that app to our mobile. On mobile we need an app of MIT AI Companion to scan the QR code. After scanning code, app will start to download on mobile. We have to install this app on mobile. Let's try to add two numbers, and after entering numbers press Add button. We will get the answer and answer label. Similarly, you can add as many functions in your calculator app as desired. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Project Zone for more useful tutorials.